So here we've got the Quooker tap. They've just recently allowed it to go up to a 5-way tap. So it's got 5 functions. It's got the hot, cold, cold filtered, sparkling water, and also the boiling. Great thing about the Quooker is the boiling is 100 degrees. So it's kept in the tank at 110. By the time it leaves for a cup of tea, it's 100 degrees. Lovely thing about this is that we've got the hot and cold on this lever here. And then completely separate, we have the other 3 functions. So boiling water, filtered and sparkling. So boiling water, double push and a turn. So it's a movement that you're not going to be doing by mistake. And then you've got also the sparkling water, which is a push down and twist. And then letting that reset, you've got hold down for 1, twist, and that's your cold filtered water.
So here we have the Bora. In my opinion, if you've got cooking on the island, it's the only way to go. So it's the extractor built into the hob and it sucks everything down rather than it going up to a normal extractor. So I've just turned it on, take a few seconds to get up to speed, but you'll see the steam get sucked down. Maybe not 100%, but I would say more efficient than a normal extractor.
We predominantly do Neff appliances, which is our main supplier. It comes with a 2-year guarantee. You may well have seen it on the Great British Bake Off, which featured the Hide and Slide